Hey everyone, Ali here. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of AI and tech to make your life easier and more productive. Today, we're focusing on one of the most powerful tools out there, ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, these tips will help you get the most out of this incredible AI. Want to unlock ChatGPT's full potential in just 3 minutes? Stick around because we're about to transform the way you interact with AI. You're in the right place. We're going to cover some quick, actionable tips that you can start using right away. Let's dive straight in. So you want to get better results from ChatGPT? First tip, be specific. Instead of saying, write a blog, try saying, write a 200-word blog post about the benefits of morning exercise. This small change can make a huge difference. The more details you give, the more precise and useful the response will be. Think of it like giving directions. The more landmarks and street names you provide, the easier it is to find the destination. Next up, give context. Mention who the content is for. This is crucial because it helps ChatGPT understand the tone and complexity needed for the task. For example, say, write for teenagers or use simple language for kids. This helps ChatGPT tailor its response to your target audience, making the content more engaging and effective. This helps ChatGPT tailor its response to your target audience. Whether you're writing for a professional audience or a group of kids, context is key. Third tip, use follow-ups. Don't like the first answer? No problem. ChatGPT is designed to be flexible and adaptive. Ask, can you make it shorter or rewrite it in a friendly tone? This iterative process can help you refine the output until it's just right. ChatGPT's flexibility is one of its biggest strengths. Use it. Don't settle for the first response if it doesn't meet your needs. Keep tweaking and refining. Now, let's get creative. ChatGPT isn't just for writing posts, its capabilities extend far beyond that. Ask it for YouTube titles, summaries, lesson plans, or even jokes. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover its versatility. The possibilities are endless when you think outside the box. From generating creative ideas to solving complex problems, ChatGPT can be your go-to tool. Remember, the more details you give, the better ChatGPT performs. It's not magic, it's smart prompting. The quality of the input directly affects the quality of the output. So go ahead, try these tips today and unlock ChatGPT's full power. You'll be amazed at how much more effective and efficient your interactions with AI can become. And hey, if you found this useful, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe for more ChatGPT tricks. We're constantly exploring new ways to make AI work for you. Catch you in the next video. Peace out. Stay curious and keep experimenting with ChatGPT. The future of AI is in your hands.